Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure Roblox Studio is up to date and you have plugin or API credentials ready. This gets you straight into work. Open or create a project and save it to avoid data loss. Once done, install the AI Assistant plugin or configure the HTTP service and environment variable for the API key. You do this now so authentication and editor access are ready. Make sure the key is stored securely, and that Studio shows the plugin as enabled. You now wire the assistant into your game logic. Enable HTTP service, then write a small test that sends a simple prompt to the API to confirm connectivity. This verifies headers and key usage. Then create a server-side script that formats prompts, handles rate limits, and receives responses, so game clients never hold secrets. Once you receive JSON back, parse it into tables or strings suitable for NPC dialogue, procedural content, or code generation. Finish by deploying to a test server and exercising the assistant under real conditions. You want to check latency, response quality, and edge cases. Once done, add logging and monitoring so you can spot rate limit hits and malformed responses, and implement throttling to avoid API overuse. If the assistant fails or returns poor output, revert to a safe fallback, static dialogue, canned behaviors, or a retry, and make sure your server logs give you the key clue needed to fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.